What is going on YouTube? Today I'm back with another simple tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to plot data easily in Thonny. And this is really a good use case when you are using lower grade microcontrollers such as the Raspberry Pi Pico, where you don't have the ability to download heavyweight plotting libraries such as matplotlib that can't fit onto the storage of the device. And so you have to think of another means to plot your data, especially when you are using sensor and you want to visualize that, which is the case I have here. So in order to do that, it's really simple. I have my Raspberry Pi Pico W set up, but in this case, you could really use any microcontroller you want, any sensor, any data. And so what I'm doing is I plugged that MPU9250 to my Raspberry Pi Pico W, and I'm just getting acceleration readings. So simply what I would do typically to see those readings is I would just print them in real time there. But if I want to plot them, it's actually really easy in Thonny because they have a built-in plotter that I didn't know about beforehand, so I'm just sharing that in this video. So you could just go ahead and click plotter there, and we could see that the plotter is initiated. In order to start plotting on this plot, it's very straightforward. What it does is it just takes the latest print statement and puts it on a point in the plot. So if I just go ahead and run the same code, we'll see that it's also printing in the shell and it's also showing in the plotter. So if I go ahead and move my sensor around here, we can see that the acceleration values are changing. If I have it perpendicular or parallel to gravity in the same direction, we can see that it's 9.8 meters per second squared, which makes sense there. So that's pretty cool. Another thing we could do is we can actually add a label to that or a legend. So if we say AX and we do comma here, and if I go ahead and save that and we go ahead and run, we could see there's an AX there. And finally, another cool thing we can do is we can start adding more than one line on this graph. So let's say I want to plot AX and AY on the same graph there. So I do AY and I just do 1 to get my AY value. If I go ahead and run that, this is pretty cool how you can get both at the same. So the axes are perpendicular to one another. So if I have one pointed towards gravity, the other will be 0. So that makes sense. So that's pretty cool. And of course you could do more than 2 as well. So that's it for my short tutorial there. You can't really do much with this plotter, but it should give you a good visualization if you're trying to see your sensor data in real time. That could be useful for angle measurement and other sorts of applications. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the comment section down below. And as always, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.